So, my name is Mikhail Julius Christian, and I would like to reflect on what I learned about project management from weeks 1 to 4. First one is the key concept and understanding. The first concept I learned is agile. What is agile? Agile is flexible approach where a project is developed in small stage. The team can test the product and they can receive the feedback, and after that they can improve it like step by step. The second one is waterfall. Waterfall is more structured, sequential. The requirements are usually planned from the beginning until the end, and each phase is completed before moving to the next one. And in waterfall fall, it hardly to change the uh, detailed project. And after that, I learned about the Gantt chart. It is a visual tool that shows project tasks, start and dates, and the duration. It can be used in both agile and waterfall projects to manage time and track progress. So agile and waterfall explain how a project is developed, while a Gantt chart helps manage when the work should be completed. And after that, Shiven thinking, what did I think about project management before this course? Before this course, I thought project management was mostly about soft skills. It's like leadership, communication, teamwork, and other else. After I studying this course, what has changed? I realized that project manager also need hard skill and project management knowledge. They need to understand methodologies, scheduling, project life cycles, dependencies, and other tools. Agile also challenged one of my assumptions. Before, I thought a software application need a complete blueprint from beginning to the end before it could be released like waterfall. But Agile showed me that we can develop a basic version first, collect feedback from the user, and improve the product step by step. And then application to a real IT project. For my example, I will use my project called Hexon, which is a Bluetooth anti-loss device connected to a mobile application. To your to it is such as Apple Tech, something like that. And this is the real project. This is the receiver, and this is the cast Bluetooth. And for this project, I will use Agile because I want to develop and test the product quickly. For example, I can first develop Bluetooth detection, then pairing, and then anti-loss alert, and battery monitoring, and finally improve the user interface. To manage this project, I can use Gantt chart to see when each task starts and how long the duration. If I had to choose between Agile and Waterfall, of course, I will choose Agile for my software development. This is because the user feedback is very important. Agile allows developers to understand what user actually need and improve the application continuously. Challenge and confusion. The concept I found difficult one was task dependencies and the critical path. At first, I thought project scheduling was only about creating tasks and deadlines. However, I learned that some tasks depends on other tasks, and some activities directly affect the project completion date. Using a Gantt chart helped me understand this relationship more clearly because I could see the task and timeline visually. And then the future application. In the future, I want to use this concept in my studies, career, and also in building my own business that I mentioned before. For a software project, I can use Agile to develop product step by step and improve them based on customer feedback. I can also use Gantt charts and time management concepts to organize development, marketing, and product launch. Overall, this course changed my understanding of project management. Now I see that a good project management manager needs both soft skills and technical project management skills to successfully manage people, time, and projects. Thank you.